Most students get this completely wrong. They think fully funded scholarships in Germany are impossible to get. They assume only top rankers or geniuses qualify. That's not true. The biggest mistake? Not knowing where to look and how to apply correctly. Here's the truth no one tells you. Germany offers some of the best fully funded scholarships in the world. But most students either apply too late, apply incorrectly, or don't apply at all. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact fully funded scholarships in Germany for 2026, how they work, who can apply, and the step-by-step strategy to actually get selected. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to study in Germany without worrying about money. Let's get straight into it. First, let's understand what fully funded actually means. A fully funded scholarship usually covers your tuition fees, living expenses, health insurance, and sometimes even travel costs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Germany already has low or zero tuition fees in public universities. So when you combine that with a fully funded scholarship, your total cost becomes almost zero. But here's the problem. Many students don't understand the requirements, so they apply blindly and get rejected. Now let's talk about the most popular scholarship. The DAAD scholarship. DAAD. This is one of the biggest and most trusted scholarships in Germany. It covers monthly living expenses, travel allowance, health insurance, and sometimes tuition fees. But here's the catch. DAAD is not a single scholarship. It's a collection of multiple programs. Each program has its own requirements. Now here's where most people fail. They apply without checking if they meet the criteria. So always read the requirements carefully. Now let's talk about eligibility. Most DAAD scholarships require a strong academic record. But here's the interesting part. They also look at your motivation and career goals. So your statement of purpose is very important. Now let's talk about another option. Erasmus. This is a European Union program. It allows you to study in multiple countries, including Germany. And it can be fully funded. But here's the problem. Competition is high. And you need to apply through specific programs. Now let's talk about university-specific scholarships. Many German universities offer their own scholarships. These may not always be fully funded, but some are very generous. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some scholarships are based on merit. Others are based on financial need. So you need to apply to the right ones. Now let's talk about foundations. Germany has many foundations that offer scholarships. For example, political or religious foundations. These often provide full funding. But here's the catch. They may have specific criteria or values. So make sure you align with them. Now, let's talk about requirements. Most scholarships require academic transcripts, a strong statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, and sometimes work experience. But here's the problem. Students focus only on grades and ignore other parts. That's a mistake. Your overall profile matters. Now here's where it gets interesting. Work experience. Some scholarships prefer candidates with professional experience. Even internships can help. Now let's talk about language requirements. If your course is in English, you need IELTS or TOEFL. If it's in German, you need German language certification. But here's a smart tip. Even basic German knowledge can strengthen your application. Now let's talk about deadlines. This is critical. Most scholarships have deadlines 6 to 12 months before your course starts. But here's the problem. Many students start late and miss the opportunity. So timing is everything. Now let's talk about the application process. First, research scholarships. Second, check eligibility. Third, prepare your documents. Fourth, apply before the deadline. Simple, but powerful. Now here's where most people fail. Statement of purpose. This is your chance to stand out. Explain why you chose Germany, your course, and your career goals. Be clear and specific. Now let's talk about letters of recommendation. Choose professors or employers who know you well. Strong recommendations can make a big difference. Now let's talk about a real example. Rahul had average grades, but a strong statement of purpose and clear career goals. He got selected for a scholarship. Now compare that to someone with high grades but a weak application. They got rejected. So your story matters. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Multiple applications. Don't rely on one scholarship. Apply to multiple options. This increases your chances. Now let's talk about interviews. Some scholarships require interviews. You may be asked about your goals, studies, and plans. Be honest and confident. Now let's talk about a common mistake. Copying statements of purpose. This is a big mistake. Your application must be original. Now let's talk about preparation. Start at least 1 year in advance. Build your profile. Improve your language skills. Gain experience. Now let's talk about benefits. Fully funded scholarships reduce financial stress. They allow you to focus on your studies. And they add value to your profile. Now let's talk about long-term opportunities. Studying in Germany opens doors to global careers. And scholarships make it more accessible. Now let's bring everything together. Fully funded scholarships in Germany include DAAD, Erasmus, university scholarships and foundation programs. Each has its own requirements. You need a strong profile, clear goals, and early preparation. If you follow the right strategy, your chances increase significantly. Now, here's the final insight. The students who win scholarships are not always the smartest. They are the most prepared. They understand the process. They apply strategically. And they present their story clearly. So don't assume it's impossible. Start early. Stay focused. And take action. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more scholarship guides, and comment below if you want help finding scholarships based on your profile. Because the more prepared you are now, the closer you are to studying in Germany for free. And that's exactly what you want. I'll see you in the next video.